These top lithium miners are capable of delivering robust cash flows. These are the lithium stocks to buy for 100% returns in the next 12 months. Albemarle Corporation. Strong revenue growth and cash flow upside visibility through 2027. Lithium Americas. Quality assets with ample funding for construction activities. Piedmont Lithium. Sales are expected to commence in third quarter 2023 and have a high-quality asset base. Let's dive in. Here are the 3 lithium stocks poised to double in 1 year. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. With the growing demand for electric vehicles, lithium prices could see higher highs. In fact, now is a good time to consider lithium stocks to buy for the coming years. Part of the reason for that is because by 2035, the lithium supply gap is projected to be acute, at least 1.1 million metric tons, or 24% less than demand. This makes a strong case for lithium to trend higher over the next decade. Quality lithium miners are therefore positioned to benefit from production volume growth coupled with higher price realization. I expect lithium companies to be cash flow machines. This video will discuss 3 lithium stocks to buy that can double in 1 year. Number 1. Albemarle. Albemarle is massively undervalued with a forward price-earnings ratio of 7.4. Albemarle is also a quality dividend stock to consider as cash flows swell. In terms of growth, the company reported revenue and earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization growth of 120% and 299% on a year-on-year basis for 2022. For the current year, Albemarle has guided sales growth in the range of 55% to 75%. Given the growth trajectory, the stock can easily double. It's also worth noting that Albemarle closed 2022 with a lithium conversion capacity of 200 kilotons per annum. The company expects to boost capacity to 550 kilotons per annum by 2027. With sustained capacity addition, revenue growth will sustain along with cash flow upside. For the current year, the company expects an operating cash flow of $2.2 billion. In addition, Albemarle stock has an annual dividend payout of $1.76. I expect healthy dividend growth in the next 5 years. Number 2. Lithium Americas. Lithium Americas is another massively undervalued name among lithium stocks to buy. I expect multi-bagger returns from Lithium Americas stock in the next few years. It's worth noting that for year-to-date 2022, Lithium Americas stock has trended higher by 16%. Considering the positive business developments, the upside momentum is likely to sustain. A piece of big news in the recent past has been the commencement of construction at Thacker Pass. The asset has an after-tax net present value of $4.95 billion. With commencement, the asset will be a cash flow machine. Even better, General Motors invested $650 million to accelerate the development of the asset. I therefore don't see financing growth as a concern, and project delays are unlikely. Lithium Americas also has a 44.8% stake in an asset in Argentina. The asset is expected to deliver an annual earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization of $308 million, and the project life is 40 years. Lithium Americas plans to list international assets as a separate entity. This is likely to translate into value unlocking. Number 3. Piedmont Lithium. Piedmont Lithium is another undervalued lithium stock to buy. The stock has trended higher by 27% for year-to-date 2022. I expect this rally to sustain with the stock still down by almost 30% on a 12-month basis. In terms of assets, Piedmont has a 100% ownership stake in Carolina and Tennessee assets. These assets have a combined net present value of $5 billion. Further, the company has 50% and 35% economic interest in assets in Ghana and Quebec respectively. Considering the net present value of assets, Piedmont Lithium stock is undervalued. I believe that once production commences, the valuation gap will close. The first shipment of saleable products from the company is expected in third quarter 2023. This is a major stock upside catalyst. It's worth noting that Piedmont has a strong balance sheet. I don't see financing exploration and production activities as a challenge. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.